Alright, I'm going to go over how to create the two booking forms on the home page and the booking page from the live preview. And these forms, once your client fills them out, they just shoot you an email and you can respond to them via email and deal with any specifics that way. So let's dive right in and go to our dashboard. And I actually have the theme documentation open in another tab, and we will be referencing the booking form section. So the first thing I need to do is install plugins. So it's one plugin and then a plugin attachment. Pretty lightweight stuff. So once we add new, or go to plugins, click add new, and we can search for the plugin. Sorry, automatically tossed in date picker for me. So once we find the contact form 7, we can install it. Just click it, install now. Yes, install the plugin and activate it. And then it will display under this list of plugins. And if you didn't click activate, you can always activate it or deactivate later on under plugins. So then we need to install our second plugin, and that's the contact form 7 date picker. So you can just copy that, paste it into the search, and it will be the one at the top. Install now, just like the other one, and click activate once it's been installed. And once you've installed this form and date picker, it will display another section under here called contact, and this is just displaying your two forms. So let's go ahead and just add a new form, and we'll call this one homepage form, and we'll save it. And then let's go ahead and add another new form, and we'll call this one booking form, booking page form. Save. And if you go to contact, you now see 3 forms. One is just the default one they install for you. The 2 that we're concerned about is the booking form page and homepage form page. And let's go to our site now and let's work on the homepage one. So the homepage one will display up here, just like our live preview. And to get that to display, we're going to visit our contact area and select our homepage form. We're going to copy it, the short code. It gives it to you. And we're going to go under Appearance, Widgets, and we're going to look under the homepage content, and we're going to add a text widget. And all this is doing is just adding a text area, and so we can title this whatever we want. I think the live preview has make a reservation. And then under the content area, you're going to paste in that short code that you copied from contact form 7. So let's go ahead and save that and refresh our page. And you will see a form will show up. And you'll notice the format is crazy. Don't worry about it. We're going to get to that and make it nice and pretty in our next step. I just wanted to show you how to paste in the form. So once you've set up the home page and pulled in your form, all we need to do now is modify the form under contact and homepage form. And once we modify this form, excuse me, it will display properly just like the live preview. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. And this is the date picker theme. You can actually change the style of the date picker here. You go ahead and leave it alone or change it. It's really up to you. I'm going to minimize it by clicking this arrow. And so what we're going to be editing is this form area and this message body area. So I actually already have, you can see we followed these steps already. I actually have the code for the homepage one already here. So for the form, we can just select all that form code that I have and paste it in here. And so it's going to display all of these options. So you can see there's a select menu with these options, a date menu, etc. Then under the theme documentation for the message body, we can select the message body, and that goes under message body, you guessed it. And let's go ahead and also another thing you can change, it's just optional, is your subject. So we can call this homepage anchor and form, and this is just what you're going to receive as an email. And you can just delete your name as well, since we're not pulling in that field up in the form. And let's click save, and we'll refresh. And ta-da, we have our form built for us.